A name in Python is a way of accessing an object. The name A holds an integer, and now it holds a string. A namespace in Python is a collection of names. This is a mapping of names to corresponding objects and is implemented as a dictionary. Functions form local namespaces, modules form the global namespace, and then there's the built-in namespace. This is variable b, it is 8. The function func defines a as 7 and prints out a and b. Let's make a call to func 7 and 8. Now if we try to access a, it raises a name error because a is not defined. It is local to func and we cannot see it outside of it. Func is the scope of a and its lifetime is the duration for which it is alive. We have 4 kinds of scopes: local, enclosing, global, and built-in. A is 0. Func cannot read it before assigning it. So we can set a default value of 0 to A. Here A is non-local to blue and B is local to it. Now A is 1. Define a function such that B is 2 and another in this where C is 3. Here A is global, B is local to func1 but non-local to func2 and C is local to func2. Again A is 1. Here func3 also sets A, B, C and prints them. To func3 they are 2, 3 and 3. To func1 B is 2. And outside everything A is globally 1. If we declare A global and B non-local, the values of global A and non-local B have been changed now.